So as you're gonna see in the video, as I was coloring my hair, I used 3 different colors of Ion Brilliance mixed in with the packet of deep conditioner. You could use whatever your choice. I just happened to find that one at Walmart. Then I just diluted it with some water because I was afraid that it was gonna saturate all my hair. And even if that, I can always save it for next time because that's what I usually do. So as you're gonna see in the video, I did this late at night. So I was drinking, I had a stout. Then what I like to usually do is afterwards, I like to cover it up in a plastic bag, usually something that I get from the store, or you could use whatever. Then I wrap it up in a bandana. Then usually have a towel to place over my pillow so I don't get color all over it, so I don't ruin any pillowcases, because fuck that. I like the way that my hair came out. It was a nice shade after using everything. It's just a bit frizzy right now because I kept playing with it. I put it into a braid and then I'm taking it out and then it rains, so there's that. In this bowl is Aqua, Sky Blue, and Tanzanite. I'm going to add in the coconut oil deep conditioner packet to the bowl. Then afterwards, I'm going to add in some purified water to then dilute the whole mixture. I really hope you guys like this video. If anything, if I didn't really explain it too well, just leave a comment and hopefully I'll explain it to you more clearly on what I did, any products I used, or anything else. So thank you. Bye.